Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 8 in Panglao Island in Bohol. Right now, 6:40 p.m. After we explore the Hermit beach, we are on the way to our hotel. This beautiful shopping mall located 1 kilometer away from the Hermit beach. The live music and the lighting really wants us to explore this place. So we decided to walk through the shopping mall. This shopping mall located on the road. On the back side, you have a very beautiful beach available. This is a shopping mall. Nowhere. I haven't even seen Panglao this kind of shopping mall or building. Look at that. What do you think, man?
It's kind of crazy.
It's kind of crazy. Nowhere. They built the building nowhere. My God. This is a very good place for a drone shot for the night. And we have a lot of nice restaurants over here. Families are eating over here. Very good places. Look at the seating arrangements. And look, so many things are there.
There's another Bohol.
Ah. Kids playground. Look at this. You won't believe it. What do you think? This is better than the sunset?
Yeah, probably.
Look how big is the place is. I don't know, this GoPro can capture the night light. Wow, this place more safer than anything else. We went to the Mama's beach, there's no safe. But look at the place, how it look like. Seriously, how big it is. In the night, it's a lot of happening over there, light, everything there. Very safe place. And look at the beach, how clean it is. Seriously, very bright.
Amazing. So much good.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Chamber? No, I can't make it, man. There's another bee farm over here. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Eatery. So it's a pork belly, it is a pork, and we have a beta card and chicken.
Some shrimps.
Shrimps and a chicken sausage. Our rice is coming up.
Thank you.
Thank you.